Hello everyone. Today we will talk about various plumbing fixtures used in plumbing design. The plumbing fixtures are essential in any building, providing access to water for various purposes. Here are some common types of plumbing fixtures and their uses. Number 1, facades, used to control water flow in sinks, bathtubs and bidets. They come in various designs and finishes to match different interior themes. Number 2, showers and bathtubs. These fixtures provide a place for bathing. Showers can range from simple shower heads to luxurious rainfalls and steam showers, while bathtubs can be freestanding or built in. As you can see the pictures for facades and as well for the showers and bathtubs. Number 3, toilets. Essential for sanitation, modern toilet focus on water conservation and come in various designs, including smart toilets with integrated bidets. Bidets used for washing the perineal and genital areas. Bidets can be standalone fixtures or integrated into modern toilet, promoting better hygiene. Number 5, sinks found in kitchens and bathrooms. Sinks come in different styles such as pedestal, wall mounted, under mount. They are used for washing hands, brushing teeth, and cleaning dishes. Number 6, hose beep. Outdoor facades used to connect garden hoses for watering plants, washing cars, or filling pools. Number 7, water heater. Provide hot water for showers, dishwashing, and laundry. They can be traditional tank heaters or tankless on demand types. Number 8, laundry tubs. Large deep sinks used in laundry room for soaking and washing clothes. Number 9, drinking fountains. Provide a convenient source of drinking water in public spaces. Number 10, urinals. Urinal is a sanitary plumbing fixture designed for urination, commonly found in public restrooms and sometimes in residential settings. Number 11, service sink. A service sink is also known as utility sink or slope sink. Is designed for heavy duty cleaning tasks and various utility purpose. Number 12, ablution tapes are specially designed fixture used for the ritual washings performed by Muslims before prayers. Number 13, floor drains is a plumbing fixture installed in floors to remove standing water and prevent flooding. They are commonly found in areas prone to water accumulation, such as bathrooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, basement, and utility rooms. If you want to go with a detailed design, you can contact +91 95 970 56755. We can study the complete plumbing water supply design and its calculations. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Thanks everyone.